Hello, Sci Network community. Hello, Sci Network community. Welcome to this new video. In this video, we would like to address our My Home Network. We will be more interested in the wireless part, but the wireless part set as a prerequisite that the LAN part, the wire part, should be working and stable. Okay, having that said, what is the, I have a couple of questions here, up to 4 questions. What is the actual state of the network? Is it the same state that we have since the last video? Please check the last video that will be presented somewhere there, and you will see how we did progress up to the last state. What is our goal in the next video? Our goal in the next video is to implement this topology right here. This requires a segmentation of our home network. I recorded for a while a short video that I've uploaded, but I did delete that one because I did it pretty quick and I did mislead something in the video. What I did mislead is that this design can actually not be realized. Why? It is a good design which cannot be realized for now because I have a dependency with the provider. You see here the provider, if I source, the provider actually is my DHCP server, meaning that this box here, this ISP box is the box providing me the IP address in the LAN. Let me put it in red, okay? So in the IP range that is providing is the 192.168.1.0/24. Now, in my new design, I want to source from the 10 network. If I source from a 10 network, I cannot reach internet directly. In order to reach internet, this box should have, this provider box should have to translate my source IP addresses to the public IP address that it has in his one interface, internet-facing interface. But having said that, actually, my internet box, my ISP box, cannot just translate that. He's just translating, it has been configured to translate the private range he's providing me in the LAN. So, meaning I have to get into um, discussion. I want to talk to my provider if they can allow me to source from a tech network. But if they allow me to source from a tech network, look here, it is the yellow cake. The yellow cake has been chunked into small piece of cakes right here. VLAN 150, 20, up to 200. Okay, I cannot have this chunk, small piece of cake right here in the LAN and have it also between my layer 3 device, the C3750, and the provider box. Between me and the provider, I should have a transit network. It can be the 192.168.1.0/24, meaning the provider only have to add in his box my LAN area to be NATed and also to set a route from their box to my C3750. I don't know if that will be realizable, they will realize it or not, but I have to get into discussion with them first. But meanwhile, should we be without wireless at home? No, of course not. Look, this red tunnel that I have just painted here. This is considered the red tunnel as the 192.168.1.0 network. It's going up to my 3750 on the outside interface, or the interface facing the provider box. 3750, I configured the 192.168.1.254. Okay, and I have to relay, it is VLAN 200. I insert the port into VLAN 200. If you haven't listened to the video regarding VLAN, please watch those in the CCNA playlist. I have to relay that VLAN 200 up to the wireless controller, and I will configure the wireless controller to 192.168.1.100. And I will configure my access point to broadcast an SSID that will, at its turn, end in that VLAN 200. And that is how I will have wireless access, still using the ISP, either the ISP as my DHCP or server, or I will configure my wireless controller as a DHCP server, or I can even configure my 3750 as a DHCP server. Okay, so I have three options here in terms of which device might end up serving me as a DHCP server. So here's the wireless controller. We can actually just log in. I already configure, set up that design that I'm actually showing you, but I will go there offline and uh, delete all the configuration and reconfigure again for you to see how it actually do that. So you see here I have three access points. I have 5 clients connected to my network actually. Look at it as, for example, you are migrating from one old device wireless controller to the new one. Okay, you should look into what we will have to look into is to configure the same wireless solution here, the same SSID with the same pre-share key. Okay, we should make sure not to change the name of the SSID because we want the users which have already the SSID configured on their devices to once the new wireless wireless LAN is active, is functioning to directly gain access to the network. You see here I have PL and as a name, and the SSID is PL. So this is what the most important PL here. The one here is arbitrary. We can change that. So I will delete all these and reconfigure again. And at the end of the day, we should have at least up to 5 or 6 clients. It's even it did get higher in between, up to 6 clients connected and working. Okay, how to prove that the clients are connected and working? You should see the client here, VMAC addresses and the corresponding IP addresses. Okay, and to which access point they are connected. You see they are AP2 and AP1 is located in the basement. Somebody is in the basement actually. So let's just keep tuning, and I will configure that in the next video. I can show you this is as last point. This is my provider box, the red box that I show you right here. This that box here. Am I getting connected or not? Yes, I'm connected. You can see right away here that, come on, I have the possibility to change the network range that I will be receiving